Good morning and welcome in Munich. Today we are at the Edelmetallmesse, which is Germany's biggest investor fair for precious metals and commodities. And here at the AXINO booth we have a highly interesting junior exploration company, BCGold from Vancouver. And I'm very impressed that I have Brian Fowler with me today here from Vancouver. He has flown in last night. And he is presenting BCGold here at our investor fair at the AXINO booth. Brian, good morning. How are you?
I'm well, thank you.
I hope you had a good flight.
I did, thank you.
And yeah, let's just start talking about your company. I have read that you have acquired recently a very attractive Peruvian asset, and you have issued 30 million shares for acquiring that asset. So it looks like it's a potential project you have acquired. Can you give us a little bit about the background of that asset?
Certainly, Wolfgang. We're very excited about this acquisition. We've just recently acquired two adjoining properties, 5,750 hectares, situated 100 kilometers east of Lima in a historic and established mining district that has one mine that has 60 years of production history, a number of other mines that have come and gone over the years. And part of this, we've raised $1 million, and we also have acquired through this transaction proven Peruvian management group, people that have worked in this area for a number of years and helped put this whole package together. So we're very excited about the exploration opportunities that this acquisition provides us and shareholders.
Very good. So it looks like you're at an early stage. Your market cap is below $5 million. But what can you give us and our investors kind of an information background? How can you add value to that asset, to the company, with those previously announced and acquired assets?
Exactly. Part of this, as I said, this property package is situated in a historic mining camp. But as much as there's been production in the area, our properties are still fairly early stage because there's never really been any drilling done on them. One of our properties completely envelops a recent bulk tonnage discovery by a company called Inca Minerals on the ASX that spent $7 million on that property over the past 5 years and made a significant discovery. So we're completely surrounding that property. Our other property, the Puka Corral, is host to the San Mateo mine, which is a historic narrow vein polymetallic vein mine, and it also has excellent exploration potential for bulk tonnage, larger scale deposits. So anybody coming into our deal right now is being exposed to a company that has assets, past producing assets, as well as exploration, excellent upside for more bulk tonnage, exploration potential. These properties are situated, they're well accessible. We're 15 kilometers from the Coricancha mine, currently held by Nurstar. Great Panther has been taking a look at that, and we know that past production at Coricancha, that mine is the mill is underutilized, so we're hopeful that continued exploration on our property could possibly provide mill feed for them or any other nearby mill. So we're really excited about the exploration upside, both for narrow vein supplemental mill feed for nearby mills, as well as exploration potential for the larger Shinapi type mineralizing.
So Brian, let's face it, I mean, you are not an early stage exploration company. You are very advanced because of those historical mines, and you may know exactly where you have to drill with your sampling and your program on the property. So from a market cap point of view, I think you have a lot of upside when you further develop this asset, and maybe you can arrange one or the other deal with your partners, because there are existing mines around, and that's the key criteria I see here, that you can maybe deliver your ore to a third party. So actually you don't maybe have not to build a mine. It's the question, do you have a good and substantial resource for them?
You're absolutely right, Wolfgang. We believe the discovery has been made on Shinapi, and we have all the indications of similar geology and alteration mineralization on our Puka Corral property. Our field crews are on site right now. We're working, evaluating the underground on Puka Corral. We expect to have some results fairly soon that substantiate grades for for the veins on San Mateo in particular. And we feel very strongly that this will be as good or better than the mineralization that has been mined at Coricancha over the past while. So we're very hopeful that combined, this whole package is going to find the eye of investors, as well as our neighboring companies are going to be very interested in what we have. So this is not early stage exploration by any stretch.
Excellent. Thank you very much, Brian. Let me finish maybe with 2 comments. We have put BCGold in our AXINO Aktienspiegel, which is a kind of a recommendation documentation we have here for the investor fair, and we see a lot of potential in the company. That's why we have taken them over, and hopefully we can have some good results in the future and see if we can build shareholder value for the investors. Thank you very much.